Alright, so for today we're going to be doing another acrylic pour. With this one we're going to be using white, black, and then varying shades of blue and green. Another thing that we will be doing differently this video than normally is I'm trying to test out different products that could create cells. And today I'm going to be using this extra virgin olive oil. Little cup right here. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of it into the cup because I'm assuming we will not need very much to do this. And there we go. And I'm just going to set this right over here to the side so I can use it to mix it in. Besides that, we're obviously going to be needing our acrylic paint and water. Alright, so I have my paint. Now just a little bit of the olive oil. Probably didn't even need that much. And then a little bit of water. Alright, you can definitely see that the oil in here is doing something a little different, something we're not used to seeing. Alright, so what I've done is just went ahead and coated the canvas with just a little bit of paint. That way it'll just make it easier for the other colors to flow. And then just gonna go back in with our white and do our corner. And then go ahead and throw some more black in this corner. And I'm thinking I'm going to put my light blue next to the white. And then I'm thinking my green up here with the black. Okay, definitely need to make this blue section larger. And then I'm gonna put this pretty green color in the middle, kind of as like a good transition shade between the two. Ooh, it is chunky though, that's not good. Very chunky. Maybe I'll try to salvage some of this green. Yeah, you know, I don't know what's wrong with this green color because it's the same paint as the other colors. It's just not working. So hopefully that doesn't just ruin the whole thing. So yeah, take some napkin here and try to dry up just some of that excess water. And then to mix these paints, I'm going to be using a hairdryer. And I'll mute this part so you don't have to listen to the hairdryer. And now another acrylic pour. Done.